Hello children, welcome to my channel Nick TV for Kids. So children, today we are going to learn phonic sound of letter U and letter V. So let's start with the phonic sound of letter U with the help of pictures. U, a umbrella. U, a umbrella. Come on children, say with me. U, a umbrella. U, a umbrella. U, a umbrella. U, a under. U, a under. Under the table. U, a under. Come on children, say with me. U, a under. U, a under. Next letter. Now we will learn phonic sound of letter V with the help of picture. So let's start. V, violin. V, violin. Come on children, say with me. V, violin. V, violin. V, violin. V, van. V, van. Come on children, say with me. V, van. V, van. V, van. Well done kids. Now you know phonic sound of letter U and letter V. So watch this video again until you will learn your phonic sound of letter U and letter V. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.